Calipers. Calipers, firm and spring joint. Calipers are a small measuring instrument used to transfer measurement from the steel rule to object and vice versa. The commonly used calipers are firm joints caliper pictures 1 given, spring joints caliper pictures 1b, and pictures 1 is firm joint, pictures 1a is firm joints, this is a firm joint, and picture b is a spring joints. Firm joints caliper, in the case of firm joints caliper, both legs are pivoted on one end to take measurement of the workpiece. It is open thoroughly to the side. So fine setting is done by lightly tapping it on a wooden surface. 2 and 3. Firm joints calipers, in this picture firm joints caliper. Spring joints caliper. From these types of caliper, the legs are assembled by means of pivot loaded with springs for openings and closing of the caliper. Legs and screw and nuts are provided. Pictures 3 given that this is the firm joints calipers, and springs calipers have the advantage of quick setting. The settings made will not change unless the nut is turned. Caliper size are specified by the length, which is the distance between the pivot center and the tip of the leg. Accuracy of the measurements taken depends very much on the sense of feel or touch while measuring the job. You should get the feel when the legs are just touching the surface. Outside and inside measurement caliper used for outside measurements are known as outside caliper, while calipers used for internal measurements are the inside calipers. Calipers are used with steel rule whose accuracy is limited to 0.5 mm. Parallelism can be checked with a higher degree of accuracy. And this is a outside caliper, this is a outside caliper, and this is a inside caliper. Jenny calipers are used for making and layout work. These calipers are also known as hermaphroditic calipers, odd legs calipers, and leg and joints caliper. Jenny calipers have one leg with adjustable divider points while the other is bent leg. The legs are joined together to make a firm joint. Uses two mark line parallel to edge inside and outside, pictures 1, and outside and inside. This is the Hale and Jenny caliper. This is the Jenny calipers. To locate the center of rounds bar, locate the center of round bars in given pictures 2, and this is given picture 2, a center location round bar. Calipers are available with the unusual bent legs or with a heel. Calipers with ordinary bent legs are used for drawing lines parallel along and inside, while the heel type is used for drawing parallel lines along the outside edge. Jenny calipers can also be used for scribing lines along a curved leg. While setting dimension and scribing lines, both legs should be of equal length. Given picture 3, and this is a Jenny caliper. This is a Jenny calipers. The Jenny calipers should be slightly inclined while scribing lines. Given pictures 4, and this is a scribing with Jenny calipers. While setting dimension of accurate setting, the Jenny calipers point should click into the graduation, pictures 5, and this is pictures 5, and rules the points should be clicked into the correct graduation. This is the dumped edge, this is a dumped edge, accurate measurement settings. Accurate measurement setting. Length measurements. The length measurements SI units. When we measure an object, we are actually comparing it with a known standard of measurement. The base unit of length as per SI is the center. The length SI units and multiples. Base unit. The base unit of length as per the system international in the meter. The meter is 1000 mm. The centimeter is 10 mm. And millimeters is 0.001 and 10 to the minus 3 meter. 1 micrometer, this the skip power minus 6 and is 0.501 meters. Micrometers and the skip power minus 3 mm and is 0.001 mm. Measurement in engineering practice. Usually in engineering practice, the preferred unit of length measurements in the millimeters. Both large and small dimension are stated in millimeters. British systems of length measurements. The other system of length measurement is the British system. In this system, the base unit is the imperial standard yard. Most countries, including Great Britain, have however switched over the SI unit in recent years. Tri-square. The tri-square is a precision instrument which is used to check squareness angles of 90. The accuracy is about 0.002 mm per 10 mm length, which is accurate enough for most workshop purpose. The tri-square has a blade with parallel surface. The blade is fixed in the stocks at 90 degree, and this is the stocks and this is the angle 90 degree, and this is the blade. This is the tri-square. The tri-square used check the squareness of machines of field surface. Given pictures 2 checking a squareness. Check the flatness of surface given picture 3 and checking a flatness and marks line at 90 degree edge of work piece given a picture sports marking lines. This is a marking lines. And set work at right angle on work holding device given pictures 5. This is a given pictures 5 right angles on work holding device. The tri-square are made of hardened steel. Tri-square are specified according to length of the blade 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm. Scriber and divider. Scriber and divider. The scriber is a sharp pointed steel tool made from a carbon tool steel. There are two types of scriber, double end and plain scriber. This is the double end scriber and this is a plain scriber. Uses. Used for scribing line on the metal being laid out given pictures 2 and pictures 2 the scribing lines, pictures 2 scribing lines. And the divider is consist on a pair steel legs adjusted by screw and nut and held together by a circular spring at one end. Handle is inserted on the spring. Uses a driver. Divider is used for measuring the distance between points and transferring measurements of directly from a rule. Scribing circuits and arc is metals. Even a picture 3 scribing circles. Radius gauge. Gauges are used to check the internal and external radius of workpiece. These gauges are made of high quality steel sheets and the radius gauges are used to check the internal and external radius of workpiece. These gauges are made of high quality steel sheets and finished to accurate radius. The radius of part are checked by comparing the radius or gauge. The radius gauge are available in set of server blades held in holder. Each blades can be separately pulled out of the holder when in use. The size of radius is marked on individual blades of the gauges. This blades of radius gauge, radius blade, and this is internal and external, and this is the radius gauge. The radius gauges are available in different combination set with external and internal and external radius given in picture 2 and 3. This is the 12.5 and this is the 12.5, and R is 7.5 say 15 mm. This is the internal radial and this is the external radial. Individual gauges of each radius, this is 15 mm. Individual radius gauge. Before using a radius gauge, ensure the gauges are perfectly clean. Remove the burns if any from the workpiece. Check and make sure there is no damage of the profile of the gauge. Universal surface gauge. The universal surface gauge is one of the most common marking tools used for scribing lines parallel to datum surface, and this is the job setting on machine. The setting job on machine parallel to a datum surface, pictures given 2, and this is a datum surface given picture 2. Job setting on machine. Checking height and parallelism of job setting, job consenting to the machine spindle. Types of surface of gauge. A surface gauge is scribing blocks if of two types. Fixed surface gauge given a picture 3. Fixed surface gauge. This is the scriber and knots and snug, and this is a spindle, and this is the base. Fixed surface gauges. Universal surface gauge given pictures 4, and this is the pin guides block along edge. Pin guide blocks. Universal surface gauge. Surface gauge types consist of a heavy flat base and a spindle fixed upright to which a scriber is attached with a snug and a clamp knot. Universal surface gauge. This has the following additional feature. The spindle can be sent to